here with another video. I am going to show you how I pack for my trip to Cancun. So come along. Thanks for tuning in. We are going to talk about my packing style and packing essentials for traveling. I am traveling actually international this time. I'm going to Cancun. So I'm going to show you how I pack for carry-on only. So this is the challenge for today. So here, I already have my DOP kit. Now, DOP kit is a men's toiletry bag, technically. But I like the way that it fits my items. I know it looks very big at the moment. It is big. I guess that is what it is. However, it has the compartments that I need. Basically, there's a side compartment where I keep my makeup. There's another side compartment where I keep like my brushes, my makeup brushes, and my perfumes, some of my tools that I use on my trip. And in here is really all of my like face products, body products. These are shower gloves. I use shower gloves every single day, whether I'm out of town or at home. So that's my DOP kit. And I just like the way that you can pick it up, set it in there. I set this on the counter and I work from my kit. So I have my DOP kit. I have my slides. I have more slides. I'm going to put these slides together like so. Water shoes. I'm going to fill this side. I put my shoes, my toiletries. In order to do carry-on only, you have to make sure that your items are 3 ounces or less. I want to say that you can transfer your liquid products into carry-on or carry-size products. For example, I put my face wash in this container, and it has a suction cup, so it will suction in the shower or to the mirror in the bathroom, or you could just buy all travel size products. That's another option. So I'm pretty much gonna leave that for right now. I'm gonna flip this over because I'm gonna go to this side, and then I'm gonna start putting my clothes in there because then I can see what else can go. So I like to take jeans, for example, and army roll them. So army roll is basically where you just kind of fold it and you try to get it as neat as possible. Try to get it as neat as possible because it will help decrease wrinkles if you smooth it out. Put undergarments in here. I'll go in that little pocket. Okay. Okay, we got shorts. A pair of shorts and a pair of Bermuda shorts. I have pajamas. Go-go outfit. You'll understand when I show you the videos. So cover it. Athletic outfit. Travel back home outfit, and I'll do my swimsuits last because those, I mean, I can pretty much put wherever. I can actually put in here with the shoes. When I get there, those can actually probably fit over there. So that's why I want to do this part first and see what room I have left. This is my carbon monoxide detector. I'm taking that with me as well, just to be safe. Carbon monoxide and gas detector. struggle packing for just carry-on is a little stressful, to be honest, because you already know you have limited space. I don't know if it's just as a woman or what, okay? But it could be anybody, really, because if you carry a lot of products, let's just say, if you're carrying a lot of products regardless, face products, makeup, whatever it is, you know, you have a face regimen of, you know, take off, remove your makeup regimen, put your makeup on regimen, you know, and then just your face routine in general, just to wash your face, okay? That's a whole regimen within itself. So to bring the items that you need, it's sometimes a struggle because, first of all, they need to be travel size, especially if you're packing for carry-on only. So that's always the struggle. It's always a struggle for me to fit what I want to fit in the bag. I want to pack just in case. That's how I like to pack. I mean, that's not always feasible, as you can see. We've got undergarments. We've got a couple of nighttime, maybe going out outfits, dinner maybe. We've got our carbon monoxide detector. We've got a couple like some shorts, some jeans. I got my goggles. I have eyelash extensions on, so the goggles shall come in handy. Thank you. And we must preserve the eyelashes. If you know, you definitely know. Here's what we'll do. We put everything in. I kind of want to actually lay this across. We'll see if that'll go. So now, now all of this stuff is in. Let's see. I'm going to strap this in. I'm going to take these straps, and I'm going to connect them here. So this holds all my items in so that when I open it up, everything doesn't come tumbling out. And this is really what I do for my carry-on, my rolling carry-on, because it's just a simple carry-on. So we're gonna do. Now go this way. Okay, so it's like a hamburger, right? Now this is why I like hard cases for my carry-on specifically, because technically I cannot. You can overstuff it, but it won't close, so you'll know. Got to go to the floor with it. And it does expand. I don't expand my bags because then you run the risk of it not fitting above. So I don't expand my bag. It is gonna fit or it's not. So there you have it. This is the Monogram with the black trim. It actually, ironically enough, although I thought about this, but it wasn't the forefront of my mind when I made this decision. I already knew I wanted this, but I also knew I wanted this. And they just happen to go together. And they travel perfectly together, to be honest. I love the two of these together. Here, we'll talk about the Bumbag. See my previous video, I actually am taking another fanny pack. I'm a fanny pack fanatic. I love a fanny pack. I love anything that's functional and cute. So I'm gonna take this little fanny pack just as a little, something to sling across me maybe to the pool, because I don't want to necessarily, I can take this to the pool. I can take my Bumbag to the pool, but why? Why? Because then when I'm getting in the pool, who watching my bag, right? Okay, so I'm actually gonna pack this and put it inside of this Keepall, because my Keepall is my personal bag, so therefore I can't have really technically an extra bag across my body. So I'll have my carry-on, which will go up above in the compartment up above me, and then this will go under the seat. Now I'm gonna put my Bumbag inside of here, and here the Keepall actually has a maroon interior, and I am going to put my items inside of here. And this is exactly how I travel with this bag. Sometimes I tend to want to overstuff this. That's not possible. If you are putting stuff in your bag and your bag is struggling, then you don't want your zipper to be struggling, first of all, or for it to be like bulging like too much in certain areas. So I'm gonna put what the essential, the bigger items are first, actually. personal fan in there. This is basically goes around my neck to keep me cool. Let me turn it on. Let's see. Good times are different. And then you just put it on your neck and it blows air up towards your face. This is my cord management system. I like to keep my phone charger free and available when I'm on the move. So I'm gonna put this in here, but I'm gonna leave that part out. I got my gum, so I'll stick that kind of inside like that. So here, this is where we are here. Okay. And my wallet. This is my Louis Vuitton Recto Verso wallet. So I have my wallet here, my card slots. This is where cash goes. You can put cash in here. Okay. Then there's another little slot here. So I'll stick those in there like that. So now I've condensed my wallet. It's not as fat. We'll stick this in here with the travel documents on the side. This is personal items as well. I'm gonna stick this kind of on top. And this is medicine. I keep my Flonase, like allergy medicine, and then like, you know, stomach, upset stomach, diarrhea, all of that. Pepto is in there. I keep my, I need a thermometer. I keep as a nurse, right? Of course, I got all my little essentials in here. I keep some, this is like an itch cream, I believe, like a hydrocortisone. If I get motion sick, I keep some Dramamine. I have a motion sick bracelet. It goes on like a pressure point on your wrist to help with nausea. I haven't used it in a while. I don't know. I can't just say if it works or not. I'm gonna have to try it again. I have some earplugs in here, Motrin, the essentials, you know. So I have what I need there. So I'm gonna put that in. On this Keepall 45, I've changed out the strap to a computer strap pretty much, because I'll show you, it can go in my bag and it stays once I attach it to my rolling bag. So the other one was a leather strap and I changed it out. So here, take this strap and I double it on here, and then I go about my day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Mahogany_glow, and that's Mahogany with the E at the end. On TikTok, Mahogany_glow. Facebook, Mahogany Glow. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. See you at the next Mo Glow party.